Hi everyone, today I am showing you how to make a delicious bread rasmalai in just 10 minutes. It is creamy, rich and perfect for when you want sweet treat fast. Take bread slices. We are going to trim off the sides. Add 500 ml of milk as it start to heat up. Add 4 to 5 spoons of sugar and give it a stir. To give it that classic flavor and a pinch of saffron. Now add 2 spoons of custard powder mixed with little milk so no lumps form. Keep stirring continuously. One spoon cardamom powder, add 1 or 2 spoons of crushed almonds for extra richness. Add crushed pista. See how thick and creamy it is becoming. In a bowl, take 2 spoons of thick curd and add 2 spoons powdered sugar and whisk it until smooth and creamy. This will give a soft, rich center inside the bread. Now spread the sweet curd mixture evenly on one bread slice. Sprinkle crushed almonds and pistachios. Cover it with another slice to make a sandwich. Cut into triangles, squares or circles. I am cutting classic triangles, they look beautiful. Dip the bread in milk and arrange in the plate. Now pour the prepared creamy milk over them. Let it soak for 5 minutes. Garnish with more almonds, pistachios. Chill for 50 to 20 minutes for the best taste. If you love quick and easy desserts like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.